Welcome back, viewers. Today we're going to do a little video, and it's going to be a little fun today as we continue to push forward through 2020. We're going to finish strong. Hope you and your family are having a great day. I thought it would be appropriate to make a video today about who's going to clean up your mess. As you think about it as a parent, and you reflect back on when you was a young kid, your parents always said, clean up after yourself. And that's so important. Are we teaching our kids and grandkids that same principle, responsibility this day and time? And I want to say, I feel like we've fallen short sometimes. We expect people to know what we are thinking, right? We don't say what we need to say. We assume that they know what we're going to say. And so I thought it was very important today. As you can see, I'm sitting here in my kitchen. And I just wanted, as I was walking through the kitchen, I think about every time I see a crumb laying on the counter, or the kids pulled out something and didn't put it back, I ask myself all the time, I know those kids know better, right? Did I tell those kids to put that away, or did I assume they know to put that away? And so I'm asking you today, there's some things in your life that hasn't went right? And so somebody had to come behind you. I got this washcloth, and they had to clean up their mess, and they had to clean up your mess. Maybe you've made some mistakes, and you've been given a second chance, but you feel like right now, I've got my life in order. I don't have to help anybody else clean up their mess. Well, I'm here to tell you, we always have a duty and a responsibility to help other people clean up their mess. It might not be your problem, but if you have experienced, maybe, just maybe, you could experience some of the same things that they're facing today. And I want to challenge you to do your part by encouraging. I'm not asking you to micromanage them, but I'm asking you to give them some valuable feedback, to show them love and kindness like somebody's giving you. It's this water bottle. This water bottle, I can leave this water bottle laying anywhere in my kitchen and it's okay, right? But if my kids do that, is it a problem? It's a problem. So I can't hold them to a higher standard if I'm not willing to hold myself to a higher standard. That might have made some people mad right there, but that's okay. That's what I'm talking about. See, when we are cleaning up our mess in life, we have to hold ourselves to the same standard that we're holding other people to. And see, a lot of time, people can't accept that. You want people to change something in their life, but you're not willing to change anything in your life. Ooh, I just made some people mad right there. I'm telling you. That's why I like Bo Hairston keeping it real, because I understand. I can't ask my kids, I can't ask my wife, I can't ask my friends to do something and I'm not willing to do myself. So when you start walking around and asking people to clean up something, ask yourself, did I just do the same thing? Did I clean up my mess? Or am I expecting somebody else to clean up my mess? Ooh, that just got deep right there. That just got deep right there. You can't ask somebody else to clean up something that you're not willing to clean up. I'm going to say that one more time because I just heard some people feeling right there. So that's part about life. We have this expectation for other people, but we don't hold ourselves, and we don't have the same expectation for ourselves. You can't ask your kids to be something that you're not willing to put in and do the same thing you do. That's deep. I'm gonna take a sip on that one because I'm telling you, we're going somewhere today. In order for you to change things in your life, you have to do the small details. You have to do the small things that you're asking other people to do. I'm gonna say that one more time because I'm telling you, somebody needs to hear this message today. Maybe you've went through some bad things and you've had a rough ride and a rough journey. In order for your kids not to go down that same rabbit hole, you have to show them and teach them what not to do. And don't experience the same, encourage them not to go down and experience the same thing that you have experienced. Because I'm telling you, those experiences sometimes it's not the most easiest thing. But if they go through it, grow through them with it, right? You need to show them what it is to be strong when you are facing some of the toughest battles in your life. Because see, if you throw your hand up and you throw them out with the bath water and the bath cloth, they have no hope. They have no inspiration to want to fight and move forward. Lord have mercy. Somebody needs to hear that message today. In order for you to do something and get through it, you got to fight through it, right? See, pain is part of the process that we need in order to be able to grow, right? Think about a tree. A tree can only grow when it gets that water. In order for you to grow, you have to get that inspiration. You have to have that fight, that motivation, that skill, that mindset to be able to say, when I get knocked down, I have two choices. I can stay down or I can get back up. See, that's how you clean up your mess when you go walk around the kitchen. See, I can get mad at my kids for leaving stuff laying all around, or I can go to them and I say, hey, Bo Jr., hey, Caitlin, Mom and Daddy would love for you guys to be able to clean up after yourself, because it's easier to do it now than do it later, right? See, we give up so easy on people when we ask them to do something and they don't do it right. But when we forget to do something, right, we expect somebody to forgive us and move forward. It doesn't work like that. In order for us to be better, we got to work together, right? See, teamwork makes the dream work. I don't think people get that. If you are a family, if you are a team, if you are a business and you guys are trying to get things accomplished as a team, in order for that to be teamwork, you have to delegate, trust, empower people to be able to make choices. See, if they don't make the choice or the decision that you want, we get mad at them. See, in order for people to grow, they have to make mistakes, and you have to correct them in the right way. See, I can talk at you or I can talk to you. See, that's correcting. See, I'm cleaning up some mess right there. I can talk at you or I can talk to you. See, if I talk at you, you're not going to hear me. But if I talk to you in a respectful manner, we see that's teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. But your expectation has to be in order and in line. And it has to be clear. And so I hope that this message today, Lord have mercy, I'm telling you, I like this message. It might not be for you today. This message might not be for you, but it's for me. If you're going to have a better tomorrow, we have to be patient today. Right? Ooh, that's patient. If you're going to have a better tomorrow, we got to be patient today. See, when we start to clean up, we need to just take a step back and look around and evaluate things in our life first, but before we start pointing fingers. Ooh, that's powerful. You're going to have a better tomorrow, but you got to start doing some things today. Clean up your mess today. Go in your kitchen and look around and see what you can do different. Did you put the pots and pans back? Did you put the silverware where it's supposed to go? Did you wipe down the counters? Did you sterilize the counters? Did you wipe down the fridges? See, that's what we need to be asking. Did I get the dishes out of the sink and put them in the dishwasher? Did I wash those dishes? What things in your life do you need to change first before you start giving direction and asking other people to change theirs? Almighty. This video probably gonna make some people mad today, but you know what though? That's what we need in our life. We need to redirect our focus first before we start directing traffic to other people. I hope that this video has been helpful. This holiday, how will you redirect your focus on what's really, really important? Building relationships, having relationships with your kids. You might be in some turmoil with your kids right now. You guys might be on a major spiral, and somebody is waiting because of pride to say I'm sorry, or how can we sit down and work this out? See, that's some messes in our life, like this washcloth. There's some messes on this washcloth that needs to be, clean. Maybe this washcloth needs to go into the laundry room and get a fresh one. We need to start fresh sometime. So today I want to encourage you to start fresh. Get you a fresh sip of water. Take time to clear your mind. Think before you speak. And just have a great day. That's how you do it. That's what we do here on Bo Hairston Talk. I talk about things that have impacted my life and things that I can do different as a father when it comes to my kids and my family. And so today I challenge you to do the same thing. If this is your first time, hit that like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment below. You said, man, Bo, I can really relate to that, because that's what people need to say. Don't worry about what people think, man. Post your message down below. Mr. Bo, that was crap. Whatever you want to post, but you know what though? I still love you. Teamwork makes the dream work. That's what makes us all better. So today I challenge you to hit the reset button in your life. Look around your little circle and figure out what you can do different to be able to empower other people to make better decisions. So before you start judging and chastising people, look at your own life first. That's what makes us better. Peace. Have a great day. You're awesome.